In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Whop Community. To begin, head to Whop's home feed. This is where you'll launch your community by setting up the business space it will live in. Look for the option to create a new business. This is your hub for products, access, and team management, so think of it as the foundation for everything you'll build next. On the new business screen, you'll see a few ways to continue: create with AI, create from URL, or create from scratch. For full control and a clean setup, choose Create from Scratch. When prompted, type in a clear descriptive business name that reflects your community's purpose. A straightforward name helps members recognize and trust your brand. Once you're happy with it, click Create to generate your dashboard. Now you're in the business dashboard. On the left-hand side, find All Tools. If you don't see what you need right away, click More to expand the list. From there, select Team. This section is where you add collaborators who will help you run the community. Click Invite Team Member. Before sending an invite, decide on the right permission level. You can create a new custom role if you want to fine-tune access, or choose from common roles. Owner has full control over everything. Operations focuses on day-to-day management and settings. Sales can handle listings and revenue-related tasks. Support is ideal for handling member issues without giving access to sensitive configuration. Advertiser is tailored for people who manage promotions or marketing assets. Pick the role that matches what the person will actually do. It's easier to grant more access later than to roll it back. Next, type the person's email or username exactly as they use it on Whop. Double-check spelling to avoid sending an invite to the wrong account. When you're ready, click Invite. That's it. Your team member will be added once they accept, and you can always return to the team page to adjust roles or add more people as your community grows.